Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat video call. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps right here, click on Snapchat, click on force stop and then go back to the settings again, click on the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go back to the home page. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to search for Snapchat and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.